Okay, Velcro. The insulation was, a little soft, but I rerouted the feeder line. I think.
Soft is subjective. In this tunnel, if it isn't screaming or on fire, we use it. Now slide that panel open.
So what exactly are we doing again?
We need to curate some power for the oh-shit-oh-scope.
Curate?
Okay, fine. Borrow!
Hey, Velcro, Dangle, I came to help, and I brought snacks.
Whoa, Claptrap, you can't just sneak up on people and scream in their ear like that! Damn it!
Oh, sorry, Velcro. Look, I brought steamed periwinkles.
Excellent! Hold that thought. And this blue thing here.
Velcro, what are you doing?
Quiet, Sasquatch, this is science! Claptrap, could you stand right there on the painted X?
Right there?
Yes.
Oh, it's like hopscotch.
Precisely! Now do me a favor and hold this other thing. Don't let them touch. Or do. We're exploring outcomes here.
Okay, I love being helpful.
Velcro, should he?
Look at the readout. Look how the waveform stabilizes when he gets nervous. Fascinating.
Hey, the wires are vibrating like they're purring.
Yes, they're very fond of you. Now, tiny step to your left.
Like this?
Yup.
Velcro, everything tastes like purple.
Delightful. We have polarity. You're fine. Probably.
Velcro, you literally just used him as a grounding rod.
Correction. A sentient diagnostic platform. Organic, durable, emotionally malleable.
I feel warm.
That's the electrons hugging you. Now, last step. Raise the stick.
For science.
And that, gentlemen, concludes the test. Claptrap, you can drop the stick.
Did we fix it?
Not even remotely.